यार एक डेमो क्लास और बोली थी दीपक को 8 बजे।
Hello students, this is Amit from Plutus Academy. Today we will discuss the topic time and distance. So question is, A, B, C walk 1 kilometer in 5 minutes, 8 minutes and 10 minutes. It means distance is 1 kilometer. A traveled in some minutes, B traveled in some minute and C traveled in some minutes, and that minutes is given to you 5, 8, 10. 5, 8 and 10. It means speed for A in terms of minute, that is 1 by 5 kilometer per minute. In terms of B, speed for B, this is 1 by 8 kilometer per minute. And what is the speed for C? This speed is 1 by 10 kilometer per minute. Okay, so what he is saying in question, C starts walking from a point at a certain time, B start from the same point 1 minute later. Okay, so what he is saying, let's assume C start from here, B start from here and A is also start from here. In question what he is saying, C starts walking from a point at a certain time, B starts from the same point 1 minute later and A starts from the same point 2 minutes later than C. It means if C start first, it means if C is here, then this is t equal to 0. It means t equal to 0 पर सिर्फ C ने चलना स्टार्ट किया है, तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में कि C ने जो 1 मिनट ट्रैवल किया जब C यहाँ पर था, एट दैट टाइम B यहाँ पर है, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है B स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट 1 मिनट लेटर. इट मीन्स जब C यहाँ पर है तब B यहाँ पर है, लेकिन जब C 2 मिनट चल चुका है, कौन? C, तब A ने चलना स्टार्ट किया है. जब C 2 मिनट चल चुका है तो एक और B कितना चल चुका है? इट मीन्स अगर C 2 मिनट चला है, मतलब C अगर अपनी 1 मिनट और चलेगा तो B C पर आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है आपको C starts walking from a point at a certain time, B start from the same point 1 minute later and A start from the same point 2 minutes later than C. Then A meets B and C at what time? तो देखिए, अगर A यहाँ पर है, B यहाँ पर है, मान लीजिए A को B कहीं यहाँ मिला, आप इस पॉइंट को O बोल दीजिए. इट मीन्स ये डिस्टेंस अगर मैं x अज्यूम कर लूँ, हमें क्या पता है ये दिस टाइम इज़ 1 मिनट, बिकॉज जब B ने भी 1 मिनट ट्रैवल कर लिया है तब A ने चलना स्टार्ट किया है. ओके, तो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, B ने भी 1 मिनट चल लिया है. ओके, तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ यहाँ पे, माई दिस डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाई B इन 1 किलोमीटर इन 1 मिनट, दैट इज 1 by 8 किलोमीटर. सो व्हाट आई कैन से, दिस टाइम डिस्टेंस अपॉन में स्पीड फॉर B 1 by 8 एंड दिस टाइम फॉर A, दिस टू दिस, मतलब दिस टाइम इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन में speed. What is the speed of A? That is 1 by 5. So I can say 8x is equal to 5 by 8 plus 5x, and that is equal to 3x, and that is equal to 5 by 8. X is equal to 5 by 3, 8 is 24. So this is this distance, but what you have to find, after what time A meets to B at this point. So what is your time? This is time, this is also time. You can take both values. I am taking this x by में 1 by 8. It means this is x is 5 by में 24 and this is 8 by 1. So 8 is 24. After 5 by में 3 minutes A meets to B. Now come to A meets, when A meets to C, let's assume A meets to C at this point. Also assume this y. So what is that time taken by C to reach at O? Time is distance by में, speed for A, C is 1 by 10. What is the time taken by A? Distance upon my speed. And what is this distance? C. This AC is the distance traveled by C in 2 minutes, and in 1 minute distance traveled is 1 by 10. In 2 minutes this is 2 by 10. I can say 1 by 5. So this distance is Y. Distance upon my speed for C, distance upon my speed for A, and what is the speed of A is 1 by 5. So I can say 10y is equal to 1, because I can say 5 into 1 by 5 plus 1, and it comes 10y is equal to 1 plus 5y, and this is 5y into 1. Y is equal to 1 by 5. So what is the time? Y by me 1 by 10. 5 to the. So after this point, from here to here, time taken by these two in meeting is 2 minutes. So what is the answer of first part? When A meets to B after 5 by 3 minutes, and after what time A meets to C, it's 2 minutes. Okay, so come on, next question. What is the next question? Next question is, a man has to be at a certain place at a certain time. He finds that he shall be 20 minutes late if he walks at 3 km/h speed. Okay, so what is question? A man has to be at a certain place at a certain point, certain time. He finds that he shall be 20 minutes late if speed is 3 km/h, and 10 minutes earlier if walks at 4 km/h. So what you have to find? You have to find distance he has to walk. Distance he has to walk. So you can say, let's assume this is the line. What I'm saying, in that case 20 minutes late, and in that case 10 minutes earlier. It means if speed is 4 km/h, in that case 10 minutes earlier. If speed is 3, then reach 20 minutes late. So what is the time taken by this person? This is distance by me. D is the distance has to be walk. Distance has to be walk. So time is equal to distance upon my speed for this, and time is equal to distance upon my speed for this. This time is for this time. It reaches 10 minutes earlier and it reaches 20 minutes after. So what is the total gap time? What is the gap in total gap? That is 30 minutes. It is, I can say, if I subtract this time from this time, I get 30 minutes. That is 30 by my 60. Okay, because this time is for this and this time is for this. So I can say, if this is the T1 and this is the T2, so T1 minus T2 should be equal to 30 minutes. Okay, so I can say 0 0 cancel, that is 1 by 2. So 4d minus 3d divided by 12 is equal to 1 by 2, and you can say 2 6 are 12, d is equal to 6 kilometer. तो how much distance has to be traveled? 6 किलोमीटर. तो आपको क्या करना है हर क्वेश्चन के अंदर, दो सिचुएशंस हैं यहाँ पर. अगर इसको 20 मिनट ज़्यादा लग रही हैं और इसको 10 मिनट ये पहले पहुँच गया, इट मीन्स इसके बीच में टाइम, जो इसने टाइम लिया और जो इसने टाइम लिया, दोनों के बीच में जो गैप है, दैट गैप इज़ 30 मिनट एंड दैट इज़ अप्लाइंग हेयर. सो दिस इज़ द टाइम टेकन बाय B and this is the time taken by A. So this is B and this is A. So time taken by B minus time taken by A should be equal to 30 minutes. Okay. So come on, next question. What is my next question? Next question is, A and B are 27 kilometer away. A and B are 27 kilometer away. Two trains with speed 24 km per hour and 18 km per hour respectively start simultaneously from A and B. 24 and 18. It means this speed is 18 and this speed is 24. If two trains with speed of 24 km per hour and 18 km per hour respectively start simultaneously from A and B and travel in the same direction, they meet at a point C beyond B, the distance BC. तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? मान लीजिए ये ट्रेन यहाँ पर मिल जाती है इस पॉइंट पर, दैट पॉइंट इज C. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस डिस्टेंस BC. So if you assume this distance is x, so time taken by A to reach at C is equal to time taken by B to reach at C. So TAC is equal to TBC. So time is distance upon speed. This distance is 27 plus x, distance upon speed, and this time is